Hello, my name's Liz, and in this lesson I would like to look at giving accurate data for IELTS Writing Task 1. Now, it's very important that all the information you give is accurate. The examiner will check, and any mistakes will lower your band score. Now let's have a look at an example of inaccurate information, and then I will give you lots of vocabulary to help you give better accurate information. Now, this graph we have here, this chart, shows the percentage of smokers in England in 2010. We've got the percentages here. It is divided into men and women, and we've got three different age groups. We've got 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 plus. Now, here is a sentence. In the age group 20 to 30, so this one here, 28% of men smoked compared to 30% of women. Now, this is a typical sentence that I get from many students. What is the problem? Can you see any mistake? Well, this is the problem here. Now, we can see that women is correct, that's 30%, but men, we can see it's under 30, but we cannot see that it's 28. We don't know. That number is not given, it's not clear. So what we need to do is we need to have flexible language to give the accurate information. Let's have a look. So you can see here we have so many different ways to give accurate data. And in fact, it's better because you will get a higher band score for your vocabulary if you use all these different expressions. So you can see this is all to say when a number is under. So for example, under 30, less than 30, below 30. Here we've got descriptions when it is just a little bit under. So for example, just under 30, slightly under 30, almost 30, nearly 30, close to 30. And if the number is well under 30, so a lot, quite a lot under 30, we can say well under 30, considerably less than 30. So lots of different expressions. Now let's have a look at how to paraphrase the word about. So here we have some expressions for about, and we use about when we're not sure if it is over or under. It's not very clear. So if you look at the chart here, you will see in the age group of 30 to 40, the number of women was about 20. We're not sure exactly if it's accurate or not. So we could say about 20, approximately 20, around 20, or more or less 20. And if we look at the figures for men, you will see that it's actually a little bit over 20. So let's have a look at some expressions for over. So for describing above a number, so as we said with men over 20, we could say over 20, above 20, more than 20. When it is a little bit over, you can say just over, slightly over, marginally above. And if it is quite a lot over, you could say well over, considerably more than 20. So lots of different ways to paraphrase and give accurate data for your IELTS Writing Task 1. Let me give you some more links now to more IELTS lessons to help with your preparation. See you soon.